What is up, guys? Welcome back to the MixedSid channel where we do cocktails, mocktails and recreations. And today's cocktail, guys, is a very fun one. Everybody's Irish. Now we'll show you how to make this cocktail. Right, first get your tin shaker and put some ice. The first ingredient to go in, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. Next ingredient to go in, guys, is 15ml or half an ounce of Chartreuse. So just to be specific, we're using the green Chartreuse. The last ingredient, guys, is 15ml or half an ounce of Creme De Menthe. So if you don't know what it is, it's just a mint liqueur. Now, time to shake it for a good 8 to 10 seconds, get it nice and chilled. Right, get your martini glass and strain into it. And finally garnish with a cherry. Right, that's how you make everybody's Irish cocktail. How does it taste? It's certainly a very strong cocktail, that's one thing I will say. So the overpowering taste can taste is the Creme De Menthe certainly gives it. It's certainly a strong one, certainly with the Chartreuse, which is 55%, so it's a very strong one with a nice kick to it with the Irish whiskey, but the overpowering taste, like I said, is the mint. Quite a nice cocktail. Because it certainly reminds me of a perfect Christmas cocktail, like a winter one. So what reminds me of Everybody's Irish. It's certainly quite a fun cocktail. It's a fun name, and it's a simple cocktail to make, really. It's a three-way one, a 3-ingredient cocktail. But I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you want to see more cocktails. And I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers.